On Tuesday, October 12, a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 6.3 hit the island of Crete, Greece. The main tremors were felt in the sea area 23 kilometers east of the village of Zakros. The epicenter's center was located at a depth of 8.2 kilometers. No casualties were reported. Dozens of buildings were damaged. In one of the villages, the chapel of St. Nicholas turned into ruins. Only one wall remained from the temple. The earthquake was felt by the inhabitants of the entire island. They left their homes in panic. 3 weeks ago, an earthquake already hit Crete, due to which hundreds of people are still homeless. The new blow was even stronger. It was also felt on the neighboring islands, Cyprus and Rhodes. In 2021, natural disasters have become more frequent. We are seeing climate change in many countries around the world. It is not known how 2021 will end.